Hello everyone! So today I suggest a trade for the strategy based on technical analysis. That is, when choosing entry points, we'll rely on uptrends and downtrends, use trend lines and support and resistance levels. Pay attention to candles on the chart and other patterns in the market. I'll start today with a small amount of money of $15 and I will try to increase it to about $20,000. So be sure to watch this video to the end and see what result I will be able to achieve in the end. You might also like my strategy today and then you can trade with it. So let's get started. I already see a good entry point here, so let me explain it to you now. Here the price moves in a downtrend, but then it breaks through the trend line. In such a case, I suggest opening the trade for a race for 2 minutes, as I think that the price will continue to move up, since we see that after breaking through, we have a large number of green candles on the chart, and we don't see as such attempt by the price to go lower. It suggests that the price has a good potential to increase, so let's see how this trade closes. The price shows a slight increase and our trade closes above the entry point. Thus, we managed to make money here. Well, that's a good start, so let's continue and find some other working case. Here the price is moving in an uptrend and I already marked the trend line. At the moment the price touches this line, and here I suggest opening a trade for a race, as I think the price will bounce up. At the same time, the price has already moved several times according to this scenario. That is, hitting the trend line, it showed good growth. Now the price is already going above our entry point, so let's see what happens in the next few minutes. So how do you start trading with me? I trade with my subscribers daily and give them trading signals. I share my experience, show new strategies, and give trading recommendations for free. If you want to learn how to make money, you need to write me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram, and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where we will trade together with you. And most importantly, I don't take money from anyone, don't require any contributions, and don't sell anything. I just share my experience and help you to make money. And now let's continue. The price moves according to our scenario and makes a good upward rebound from the trend line. Thus, we get a good profit here. 2 minutes here was just perfect for us. So let's continue and find some more working cases. Here we have a good confident downtrend, and at the moment the price is pulling back up. Here I open a trade for a fall, as I think the price will continue to move down. We see decreasing price highs and the price moves quite impulsively downwards, and mainly with red candles. So red candles are already forming on a chart. It indicates that the price has a good potential for decline. So let's see how this trade closes. The price continued to move down in a downtrend, and here we'll make a profit. And I suggest we continue and find the next trading case. We'll have an uptrend here, and at the moment the price is making a slight upward rebound from the trend line. In such a case, we'll open a trade for a race for 2 minutes, since earlier the price hitting this line showed good growth. Now we see some fading near the trend line and a pulse green candle. This is how I understand that the price has a good potential for growth, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up the uptrend. We took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account the possible trading or a pullback of the price down. So let's wait for the result. Half of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to receive more interesting content. Keep up to date with the new strategies and trading methods. Your support means a lot to me. The price bounces up from the trend line and shows good growth. Thus, we make a profit here, and we already have almost $200 on the deposit. That is, our initial amount has increased by more than 10 times. My trading strategy is working well so far, and we managed to find good entry points. So let's continue and find the next trading case. Here the price has been making good growth since the last price low. Green candles are forming on the chart now. Here I open a trade for a race, as I think that the price will continue to move up. We also see a large number of pulse green candles on the chart. At the same time, the new price minimum turned out to be higher than the previous one. The price has a good potential for growth, so let's wait for the result. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option because these brokers actually have a license. I can keep large amounts of money on my deposits and not be afraid that they will be stolen, written off, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that, oh, you did not trade honestly. Believe me, this happens, unfortunately. Even now, there's a lot of fraud. The broker's official website is being forged. You can get money there, but it will no longer be possible to withdraw it. Unfortunately, I have already been contacted by many of my followers who stumbled upon such a fraud, but nothing could be done because this is not an official website, but scammers. Therefore, please be careful and register using the link under my video. There is also a promo code in the pinned comment and it gives you 15% bonus on replenishment of the balance. You can use it. And this is also a good plus to start trading. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a comment and press the bell. Let's continue. The price shows good growth and here we make a profit. 1 minute was just enough for us in this case, so let's continue and look at the next market case. The price makes a pullback down and a certain fading occurs on the chart. In such a case, I suggest opening a trade for a raise, as I think that the price will show an increase. It was from this zone that the price made a reversal earlier and began to move up. Now we see some kind of trading in this zone. At the same time, we still have an upward movement here, and all these points indicate that the price still has potential for growth. And I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move up the uptrend. I hope that 1 minute will be enough for us in this case, so let's wait for the result. The price is moving according to our scenario and we have several green candles forming on the chart in a row. Thus, the price showed good growth here and will make a good profit. 1 minute again was just enough for us, so let's continue and find some other working case. Here we'll have a support level at the bottom and the price goes up from this level. Here I open the trade for a fall for 2 minutes because we still have a long distance to reach this level. At the same time, the main price highs are decreasing and after a fairly strong pullback up, the price showed a decrease and touched this level. The price has a good potential to decrease and I think that in the near future the price will make a reversal. It will approach the support level again, so let's wait for the result. The price didn't show a big decrease, but at the same time our trade closes below the entry point and here we make a profit. We have our first $1,000 on the deposit. So far we're moving well towards our trading goal. So I suggest we continue and find the next entry point. Here we have a good confident uptrend and at the moment the price is pulling back down. Here I open a trade for a raise. As the main price lows on the chart become higher, earlier the price made an upward impulse. The price has a good potential for growth and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up the uptrend. Also here we took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account the possible trading or a pullback of the price down. So let's just watch the chart and see what happens here in the next few minutes. The price is moving according to our scenario and shows good growth. Thus, we get a good profit here. And 2 minutes in this case was just perfect for us. So let's continue and find the next entry point. Here we'll have a support level and earlier the price made a good bounce up from this level. Here I propose to open the trade for a raise because I think the price will continue to move up. We see that the main price lows are rising. After a strong pullback, the price showed good growth. That is, we'll have a slight upward movement here and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up. In this case, we take 2 minutes to spare. So let's wait for the result. The price makes an upward impulse and shows good growth. Thus, we get a good profit here. In this case, 2 minutes was just perfect for us and we already have more than $5 on the deposit. We're confidently approaching our trading goal for today and I think that a couple more trades will be quite enough for today. So let's continue and find the next entry point. The price continues to move up and here I open a trade for a raise again because I think that the price will continue to grow. And the price began to move up more impulsively and there are no attempts by the price to go down as such. The price has an excellent potential for growth and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up the uptrend. Here we take 2 minutes to spare, taking into account that the price may fall into the trading zone or still make a pullback down. So let's see how this trade closes. At the beginning, the price got into small trading, but then it made an upward impulse and we get a good profit here. We chose the right time for this trade and I suggest we continue and find another trading case for today. Here the price is moving in an uptrend and it bounced up from the trend line. At the same time, at the moment the price is approaching this line again and touching it. Here I open a trade for a raise because I think that the price will bounce up. Because there was always a reaction near the trend line and the price showed growth. Now we see that the price is already going above our entry points. And all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. And I think that 2 minutes in this scale will be quite enough for us. So let's watch the chart and see what happens here in the next few minutes. the price is moving according to our scenario and it shows a good upward rebound from the trend line. Thus, we get a good profit here again. And we already have more than $19,000 on the deposit. That is, our trading goal has been fulfilled for today, so I take profit and leave the market. In this video, we use the trading strategy based on technical analysis, and all these cases show themselves perfectly. You can also apply this approach to your trading and make money with it. When choosing entry points, be sure to analyze the case as a whole and take into account several points at once. With this approach and proper experience, you will definitely succeed. I hope you like this video and you like this method of trading. And I remind you that you can get profitable trading signals from me. Just send me the code word team to my private messages on Telegram. I will add you to my closed Telegram channel and you are going to make money with me. Your life is going to get better. You're going to get richer. That's simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.